Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back.
Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you a small trick, okay, for those people that are new beginners, new learning driving. If you are driving backward, okay, and you need to go right side or left side, so which direction or which side I'm going to turn? I will turn left or right. Okay, now I'm going to show you this trick. I want to go to the left, okay, so I will turn fully where? Fully right, okay. But if I'm going to the right, okay, I will turn fully left. So my car going where? To the right. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing. Learn more about driving. Thank you.